Actually, I didn't do anything outside Nimble, to be honest.
Amazing.
There is no time to cook breakfast. We definitely come together for lunches and dinners. Typically, we get time to start cooking in the evenings, 6 o'clock or so. But again, there are late night meetings and all, so the time is extremely stretched. We also prefer like just salads. I think with Nimble, I did cook lunch. It was nice to have some warm lunch, especially in winters. The salads are not fun,
Right.
Summers, it's daughter is in like first year in college, and so she has just left the house, so it's just two of us, so we are not as picky as she used to be. So now it's time for us to actually experiment and enjoy cooking that is the right for us. So before Nimble, what we did, we had this HelloFresh service, which our daughter used to like some of those recipes. I've been trying Nimble consistently because I like that you prep and put it and then go. I like that.
I mean, we want to simplify the whole process, right?
Yes.
We love having a fresh food at home being made, right, rather than having to order or something. But at the same time, the like HelloFresh and all, right, it was all about like simplifying the process, and so I think Nimble takes it one step further.
Yeah.
Where you just focus on preparing, and you don't necessarily need to cook it.
Yeah.
Know the recipe, and also I see the benefit, like if you have multiple recipes available, you have a choice to select from rather than just picking the same recipe for same dish again and again. Right?
What I like is that it's a standardized thing. The recipe is there, the ingredients are there. I'm really amazed by the perfection of the dish. I don't have to worry about salt, or the spiciness is also perfect. So it's very delicious.
Yeah, I agree. I mean, it's the spice level is perfect, and every dish turns out really good.
When I am in kitchen and I'm prepped, I am in kitchen still. So what my typical preference is, I want to do two dishes in Nimble, one after the other, because idea is I prep one, I start one recipe, I prep for the next one and keep it ready, so once the cooking is done, I put, I start another one.
It is saving a lot of time, right, that we can use for something that we want to do. Like we can be more productive, right, like spending quality time on something else.
It saves a lot of time, but it's not just time. I'll tell you something. Right now, more than time, it is the attention. When you are working, you have to be alert and attentive to your work. And there are so many attention grabbers these days. Really good cooking requires a good amount of attention and discipline, and you need to be there, and you can't do multitasking, right? It's extremely stressful experience to cook. It is time consuming and it is stressful. So Nimble gets rid of both of that. That is why I'll be very disappointed, because it is not just saves time, it actually reduces stress.